up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? If you are new to my channel, I am Toya, an adult doll collector and toy enthusiast because I kind of have a thing for Disney doorables and mini brands. I also dabble in crafting. Someone in the comments said that we should add a few petals on the ground for a little more realism. We're gonna just let that dry and join me on my miniature adventures, where we take a look at Barbie Look Doll number 14. I bought this doll on Amazon for $22, and as all of us doll collectors know, shopping online has its pros and cons. I like the availability. We can get dolls that we might not be able to find in our local area. However, we can't inspect them before buying them, so we might end up with some lip rubbing and factory defects. Her lipstick is rubbed off a little right there, and we have a little factory defect on the cheek. But we can add a little black paint on that spot and turn it into a beauty mark. This doll has curly hair pulled up in 2 shades of brown, blue eyeshadow, a reddish pink lipstick. She has a blue and reddish pink top, pink bootcut pants, and purple shoes. Okay, the top and bottom are 2 separate pieces and Velcro in the back. This doll has a classic made-to-move body, which I love. She has the L face sculpt, comes with a certificate of authenticity, letting you know this is a Barbie signature black label doll, and a doll stand. Her makeup is a little bright for my personal taste, and that's only because I tend to lean towards more neutral tones. But I just got this fashion pack on Amazon. Fabric made from recycled plastic. Awesome. Glasses got a little bent in the packaging. Ah, there's a hole. Check out the background. That's new, right? Looks like we get 2 outfits. There's an oversized shirt that says Made to Move, a green animal print skirt. The shirt velcros in the back, and the skirt has an elastic waistband, paired with some hot pink shoes. The second outfit is an orange and yellow crop top with ribbon straps, paired with pink and black pants with an elastic waistband. And don't forget the green sunglasses. We can mix and match the pieces to create different looks. Here it is on a classic made-to-move Ken body. Here's buff Ken and a curvy. Yeah! Here's a new Barbie playset. The box art has changed, and the logo looks a little different too. I got this hair salon playset on Amazon for $29.99. There are 15 plus pieces, and it looks like there are some color changing effects. The doll has brown eyes, freckles, a neutral lip color, long light brown hair with highlights that are color changing. Yeah, can you see that? She comes with a blue plastic headband, yellow heart earrings that are removable. Okay. She wears a colorful houndstooth print dress with no opening in the back, light blue boots, has movement at the head, shoulder, hip, and knee. The playset comes with a brush, 3 hair elastics, a pink and black chair that can recline, a salon station with pink shelving, a large mirror. It's a little wobbly. Barbie written across the top, a black spray bottle, a purple bottle, 2 hair clips, a handheld sprayer. I do wish this was black. There's a sink with a drain, a drawer underneath. I'm guessing that's to catch the water, if you choose to use water. There's a black cup. That's pretty cool. Scissors, and there's a little spot to store them. A yellow flat iron, plastic scrunchies that open, and a blow dryer where we can remove the front, take the little cup, use it to pour in warm or cold water, place the top back on the doll and the chair, then use the hair dryer or the blow dryer to change the color of her hair. The water comes out through the front And it goes from pink to blonde, taking her from this to this. We can store the blow dryer on the side when not in use. Okay, since we're doing makeovers today, I guess it's time to do what I've been putting off. Destiny, you know I love you. I'm just not great with your hair. So have a seat. Let's add a little Miracle Grow. Oh wow, that's fast. Say hello to the new Destiny. I use Barbie Look Doll number 16 on the purple yoga made to move Barbie body. I think the salon is fun. The colors are a little loud for me, but I do think it's on brand for like totally hair Barbie. I pulled this playset out of my storage shed. I bought it a while back on Amazon. It's currently on Amazon for $39.99. We get a Barbie with a plastic headband. She wears what looks like a tropical towel, comes with a brush, a blow dryer, a white toilet with a pink lid, some wipes with a little fabric cloth. This looks just like the one that came with the babies. There's a sink with an attached mirror. The sink is white, the faucet is silver. The cabinet is brown. The cabinet door is white. We have a sticker on the side. The door opens and there is storage underneath. Looks like we have some soap, a toothbrush, toothpaste, a little whale cup for them, a soap dish, and a bar of soap. There's a small hand towel on the side. This is a pretty cute bathroom set in my opinion, and I'm wondering why I kept it in the box for so long. We could combine it with some play sets that are out right now, like the self-care Barbie. I think the bathroom set headband matches better, so I switched it out. Add the tub with the shelf. From the bathtub confetti soap playset, we can piece together a nice little bathroom. And I forgot, there was a rug. I like the wood colors with the white and the little touches of pink. Speaking of pink, I picked up the Barbie Birthday Wishes doll. For 2023, this doll was $33. She comes with a certificate of authenticity, a doll stand. The doll's eyes are a little shiny and the lips are a little pixelated. This doll has a model muse body, blonde hair, a pearl headband, a pink dress with a satin top with a bow, a ruffled tulle skirt with a train. There's a pearl ring on one hand, and she has pink strappy shoes. I know this is supposed to be like a birthday party gown, but I can't help but see glamorous nightgown. Even though it was designed for a model muse body, it does fit a classic made-to-move Barbie body. It does take a little bit of effort to close it in the back, and the headband is a little loose. But overall, not bad. Let's see if we can set up a bathroom with some of the items we looked at today. This is one of our wooden box rooms. Let's change the magnetic wallpaper to something with a little pink in it. Bring in the confetti shelf. I'm going to place it in the corner. Add the sink. Let's switch out the orange toothbrush and let's go with the pink toothbrush and paint the bristles white. All right, nice little detail there. Let's paint the top on the toothpaste as well. And I'm just using a little acrylic paint. And I tried to bring out the word Barbie on the front. Not the neatest paint job. Let's remove this soap or lotion. Take the pink one from the confetti bathtub and paint the top. Then add it to the sink. I place the toilet on the side. Let's change the towel to a light pink one. Add a few things to the shelf. Ooh, those are cute. Place the bathtub on the side, along with a few accessories. Let's paint the candle in the jar and place it on the shelf. Not too bad. I love Barbie playsets, especially when we can put different ones together to create a scene. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at some Barbie stuff, like comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.